Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that we cannot calculate about this one because we don't have the formula of cosine 2x over x, but we can change about dx dy into dy dx. Before we change about this one, we need to draw the region in here. We see that about the s, that means s will be greater than or equal to y over 3 and smaller than or equal to number 1. So we need to wrap about s y over 3 equal to s. The graph should be like this. And we know that s is smaller than or equal to number 1. The graph should be like this. So here is about number 1. The next one, dy between from 0 and number 3. So we see that this is about s and this is about y. So the area we need to concentrate, that's about this one. Now we want to change about dy dx. So this is about y in here. So in this one we have the function. So we multiply both sides by number 3. So we have y equal to 3s. If we look on the graph, we can see that y is smaller than 3s in here. This is about y equal to 3s. This one in here is about y equal to number 0. And the bounds of y should be about y is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equal to 3s. About s, we can see that s is between from 0 and number 1. And now we can change the bounds in here. Now this one, that is about dy dx. About dy, we have this one. About dx, that's about this one. The integration of dy, you got about y. And we have the bounds from 0 to 3s. And we have the s. So we put 3s gone here. Number 0 gone here. So we have 3s minus 0 ds. So we just have only ds. So s divided by s. Now we have only the integration from 0 to number 1. And I will put number 3 in here. Cosine 2s ds. Next, the integration of this one. We will have about 1 over 2 sine 2s. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we have 3 over 2 sine 2 minus sine 0. Sine 0 you got about 0. So we just have only 3 over 2 sine of number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.